Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the Frost Unicorn from Roblox Adopt Me. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off on the top left, and let's draw an angle down and out to the left. Then for the end, let's curve it down, and then bring it in to the right. Now let's hop on top and let's draw the first eye. Let's start with a curve up, and then a curve over to the left. And then for the other eye, let's hop over to the right side and let's draw a circle. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's move up and let's start drawing the hair. Let's start on top of the right eye and let's draw a curve up, and then bring it down. And then close it off with an S-shaped curve coming to a point at the bottom. Now on the left side, let's add the horn. Let's start with a large V-shaped point up and over to the left. And then curve it back into the hair at the bottom. Now let's move inside and let's add some curved stripes. Let's draw two curves near the top, and then one near the bottom. And now underneath the horn, let's draw a curve down to finish off the front of the head. Now on the right side, let's add one more larger piece of hair. Let's start on the top and let's draw a curve over, bring it down, flicking it up slightly at the bottom. And then an S-shaped curve underneath to close it off. Now before we finish drawing the hair, let's add the ears. Let's start on the right and let's draw a curve going out, curve it back down and in, and then one more curve at the bottom. Now let's draw another point inside. Now let's hop over underneath the horn and let's draw the other ear. Let's draw a curve out and bring it down. And do the same thing inside. And now that we're done the ears, let's close off the bottom of the head. Let's start on the bottom right and let's draw a curve over and join it up at the bottom. And that's it for the shape of the head. Now let's finish drawing the rest of the hair on the right. Let's start on the top right and let's draw an S-shaped curve down and out. And then bring it back in with another wavy curve. Now on top of this piece of hair, let's add another curve like this. Now let's hop underneath and let's draw another curve down, bringing it up at the bottom. And then curve it back in. And then one last curve underneath. And that's it for the head. Now let's draw the shape of the body. On the bottom right, let's draw a curve out and bring it down. Now let's hop back over to the left side and let's draw a curve down and over. And then close off the body by connecting the two sides. Now let's hop over to the right side and let's add the tail. Let's start on the top right of the body and let's draw an S-shaped curve out. And the same thing underneath to close it off. Now let's draw another piece in the same way going down. Let's draw a wavy line down. And then curve it back up into the body. And then underneath, let's draw a curved V shape. And that's it for the tail. Now let's move underneath and draw the feet. Let's start on the bottom left and let's draw a curve up and back down. And then a curve at the bottom to form a dome shape. Now let's draw another foot in the same way, next to it on the right and slightly lower. and then a third foot on the back right. And then for the last foot, we're going to draw it underneath the body by drawing 2 curves and a curve across the bottom. Now let's hop inside and add details on each of the feet. We'll start with a U-shaped curve inside, and then a curve out from both ends. And now let's do the same thing in the rest of the feet. And that's it for the cute frost unicorn. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!